What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way.
In this episode, we head northwest from Siberut to the Telos Islands. And we are joined by the biggest pod of spinner dolphins I have ever seen. We stop at this uninhabited island on our way across. And check out this unusual large tree we find on the island. And here we have
I reckon this is just like a campground.
the native Brendo.
See, they've taken like trees down to flatten the area out. Had a fire over there. Who wouldn't know? I'd camp here. This is bloody awesome.
Brendo thinks he's onto a fish, but gets a surprise.
Oh, lose that lure. If we're going to drift, turn the autopilot off. What?
Turn the autopilot off.
Turn the autopilot off. Just hit standby. That's so great. Seaweed or plastic? That's plastic.
Oh.
That's a massive bundle of plastic.
All that plastic out, hey? That's all that plastic. It's fish on second time around, but sadly, it's not our target species.
Barracuda. Huh? It's barracuda. Ah. Get that out of the way. Where you going, big guy?
Third time's a charm, babe.
I think it's Spanish. I think. Yeah. It's a big fish. Go. You finish? Yeah, it's not a barracuda. It's a wahoo.
It's a wahoo, you reckon?
It's a wahoo. I can guarantee it's a wahoo. Look at it. It's a wahoo. Bring it in.
Do you want to swap with Anne?
Big wahoo too. Got him. Good. Beautiful big wahoo.
What do you say when you catch that, Brendo?
Wahoo! Oh, we got some fish in the freezer. No, I was busy writing python.
We tuck in safely to this little anchorage for the night, and it's a gem of a spot. As Brendo would say, a Garry glass out. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's in like a full tree.
So we were just sitting here having a sundowner,
I was just, yeah.
and
Like, what the fuck is that? There's a tree going past us.
a whole tree just floats.
No way.
I don't even know if you can see that in the GoPro.
I don't know. That's pretty crazy.
It's got a rope on it.
Yeah,
It's like someone's pulled it down.
and then let it go.
That's a big rope.
Albaventure, Excelsior 6'9".
Yeah, hello.
Hey man, there's a tree headed your way.
There's a tree. Alright, I'll have a look.
Yeah, it's just past our boat right now. It's just off our stern, but it's heading straight for your boat. It's an actual tree.
Okay, thanks for the heads up. Give it a nudge if it needs it.
Yeah, no worries.
How random. And we've just swung sideways.
Yeah.
And we decide to make passage to Tello through the islands during daylight hours.
Coconuts and trees and debris and rubbish.
With the calm conditions, Brendo gets the drone up to get a bird's eye view. And here's how we launch the drone.
So we take off.
The conditions are so glassy that you can see the clouds reflected in the water. I keep a lookout out front for any more debris. Who says men can't do two things at once? That's how we do. We finally make it to Telos, and Brodie finds his favourite surf break, aptly named Churches. But we have another medical emergency when Brendo gets his intentions and capabilities confused, popping into a barrel. Christ. Brendan, what the fuck?
Right, do you have the kit?
Everyone just relax. Everyone slow down. I'm not in any pain. I'm fine, okay? It looks a lot worse than what it is because there's water. Do you know what I mean? Blood, it's like oil. It goes a long way. So everyone just slow down. I am perfectly fine. Hey there?
Sorry, I didn't see when you were waving. I was wondering. I thought you guys were from the boat. You know, surf yacht. So it's only this bit on top here?
Yeah, that's it. I just hit
okay.
right on top. I don't think it's like that. I think it just looks...
So you didn't
I
hit
can't
your
see
cheek
because
or
all the
anything?
blood. Nah.
Right, okay.
All the blood's just close to my eye. But I think it looks a lot worse than what it is.
Yeah, it's only that crack on top.
Yeah.
Did your young bloke know where you've gone?
Yeah, I think so because Sam and Will are there. Sam and Will's still there with the dinghy.
They seen what?
Oh yeah.
Oh right, okay, cool. No worries.
Sam was going to come back and help me stitch it, but he's just going to stay.
We just don't have enough. I couldn't get suture kits, they wouldn't sell them to me.
Over, and as I went over, the board came with me and got like kind of compressed down on my head.
Down.
So fuck, it was a big barrel.
I feel like an idiot
nice.
filming this.
Yeah,
I know you want me
too nice for me.
Right, has.
Nah, I didn't hit my eye.
No?
Nah, not at all. You can
It's
go
just
hard.
a big bit of skin. Oh, thank fuck, I thought you were right.
It's just blood.
I thought it was
clotted.
split.
We might have to
Salt.
glue your eyebrow back together like we did your ear.
No, my eye's fine. I know exactly where I hit it, right there.
How many fingers?
10.
Yep.
Good.
I don't think you'll even need to stitch that, man.
We might even just glue it.
I think so.
Got
Is
some
it?
super glue.
It's not torn up in here, is it?
Do you want to cut some hair out so you can see it? Just I'm fine. Just fucking open her up and have a look.
What, clip it out?
I don't know. Just whatever.
No, it's pretty straight.
You need to get a little.
Maybe it was a fin shot then.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
If it was a
we'll
reef cut,
we'll do a couple of stitches.
It'd be a bit jagged, eh?
It'd be jagged. And I think you'd be right. I'm Richo, by the way,
Hi
from
Richo,
the
I'm
Katana.
Sarah. Thank you.
Nice to
So
meet
it's
you.
here, Harbour Venture, the harbour
So
around.
you're going to have to close it, super glue it, and keep it closed with a full head bandage, like full mold.
Dry it, then we're going to glue it, then we're going to stay strip it, and then we're going to bandage you. How does that sound?
That's good.
Alright.
As long as you guys think I haven't seen the cut, so I can't really help you.
About that one.
Yeah.
Is that a little bit too here?
Is it clean? Is it a clean
yeah,
cut though?
Yeah, it's clean, it's not
Yeah,
jagged.
look, if it's
yeah.
clean, if it's a really straight clean cut, then just we'll hold it together, clean it, glue it,
Yeah,
and
You're got a lump there, mate. So you might
that's
have to
alright.
ice
It
it
was a fair fucking hit.
afterwards.
Yeah, the charter boat can't pick me up. We sort of hit him up. We thought, because
Stay real still.
usually the captain on those boats, usually the captain can stitch, but maybe because I wasn't one of the passengers, he just turned me away straight away. So they gave me a beer instead.
Clean that off.
Chachi, do you want to get Dad some water? Drink lots of water to stop him getting a headache.
Oh, Jules, I've had way bigger hits than this.
It's okay, we'll get it. Just
Is that a brand new one?
Cut that off. We'll do that after. We'll get this quickly. Oh shit! Now it's come out in a great big heap. Quick, push it together.
Don't.
Push it together.
yeah, I got that there.
Don't stick your fingers to his forehead.
First and foremost, just get one on his eye. Okay, so you just got on with it.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
It just came out in a big heap then.
Is it in my hair?
On your face.
So good.
It'll come off though.
You just keep holding it. There we are. Sarah, that's good.
Your forehead's hanging off. I'm like,
why I was
what?
carrying on.
And they're like,
I'm
your
like-
forehead's hanging off. I'm like, nah, here. They're like, dude, your forehead. And I'm like,
And then you
so I lifted it, and it was just a big flap of blood. And they're like, oh no, it's all right. But there was one dude going,
I think that's Ian right now. Poor Ian.
where is he?
Get busy.
Hey? Huh?
no, we're busy.
We're busy. We're busy.
He wants beer and money. Give me a drink. Make you sort of in tank can.
Okay. So get it.
Okay, man. Go.
Yes, please.
Jumper, jumper.
I think they've been on the piss by the looks of them.
Maybe.
Okay. Patched up.
Do you want this as well? Do you reckon?
Might need it.
Probably not.
I reckon for YouTube, maybe. You can take off the monitor out your mouth.
Yeah, they've been on the piss.
He's asking us for a drink. I think he saw you in tank can.
Like and subscribe, people.
You're going to be on YouTube.
Oh, right. Let's hit surf.
No.
Join us next week when we're reunited with our beloved salties.
Ew, the salt dogs are back. Ow!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.